Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Color Match tool is probably one of the most useful tools for anyone who works with colors, whether you're a designer, artist, or just someone who loves to decorate. This tool can help you find the perfect color combinations, match colors from images, and create stunning visual effects. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and how to use this amazing tool. Number 5. Kamado Joe Classic Joe 218 Ceramic Grill. This Kamado Joe Classic 2 offers an 18-inch cooking surface. It comes with a premium cart that includes locking casters and wheels. This makes it easy to move and secure. The Divide and Conquer flexible cooking system is a game changer. This multi-level, half-moon design lets you cook different foods at different temperatures at the same time. It's like having multiple grills in one. The control tower top vent ensures consistent airflow. It's made of powder-coated cast aluminum and is rain-resistant. You can smoke at 225 F or sear at 750 F with it. The air lift hinge makes lifting the dome effortless. It significantly reduces the dome weight, so you can lift it with just one finger. This provides a more comfortable grilling experience. The AMP Advanced Multi-Panel Firebox is designed for efficiency. The 6-piece design eliminates breakage. This patented design enhances the overall grilling performance. What we like. This grill offers a premium ceramic build for even heat distribution. Its flexible cooking system lets you cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously. If you love to host and enjoy a variety of dishes, this is the perfect choice for your outdoor cooking adventures. What people say. The device is very easy to use. The color matching is very accurate. It is a great tool for anyone who needs to match colors. Number 4. Muse SE Colorimeter, Premium Color Matching Tool. This is the Muse SE, a premium color matching tool. It's designed with an exclusive matte black finish and comes with high-quality packaging. The Muse SE is wireless and works with the Muse app. You can scan any flat surface to find the closest paint colors, making it easy to use anywhere. Get over 90% accuracy with the Muse SE. It's perfect for large painting projects, ensuring true color matches. Remember to scan smooth, flat surfaces for best results. Access a vast library of colors from top brands like Sherwin-Williams and Behr through the Muse app. Premium subscriptions are also available for even more color options. Save, coordinate, and share color values with ease. The Muse SE enhances your design process with its versatile color reader capabilities, making it a valuable tool for any project. What we like. This colorimeter offers wireless color matching with impressive accuracy. It gives you access to a vast library of paint colors from leading brands. If you're a designer or a homeowner planning a painting project, it will make your color selection process a breeze. What people say. The device is very accurate. It is easy to use and the color matching is spot on. The color matching tool is a great time saver. Number 3. Tinyland Montessori Explorer Play Kit. This set is designed to grow with your toddler, encouraging sensory exploration and cognitive development. It's a world where curiosity leads to exciting journeys of learning and discovery for them. These toys are designed to spark curiosity and fuel young minds. From the drum to the puzzles, each toy enhances sensory perception and problem-solving skills, opening up endless creative possibilities for your child. Rooted in Montessori principles, these toys encourage independent exploration and talent discovery. They are carefully chosen for toddlers aged 13 to 15 months, meeting their specific developmental needs. You'll receive a parenting manual packed with advice and strategies. This will empower you with insights to nurture your baby's growth during this important time. This Montessori Discovery Set is a thoughtful and enriching gift. It inspires joy, nurtures growth, and creates lasting memories for both the child and the caregiver. It's a gift that shows you care. What we like. This Montessori toy set is designed to encourage independent exploration and learning. It fosters sensory development and fine motor skills in young children. If you're looking for an educational and engaging toy for your toddler, this set is a great option. What people say. The set includes 4 different toys, a colorful board book, and a guidebook. The toys feel sturdy, safe, and well-made, especially for the price. The pieces are sturdy, safe, and beautifully made. Number 2. Beadsmith Fashion Color Pliers, 8-piece Jewelry Kit. This kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals. It includes all the essential tools for any jewelry making project. It's a great way to get started or expand your collection. This set features 8 slimline pliers, including chain nose, bent chain nose, flat nose, nylon flat nose, round nose, and semi-flush cutter. Also included are a split ring tweezer and a number 5 tweezer. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included carry case. It's designed to hold all the pliers securely. The case comes in a stylish beige color. These high-quality pliers are built to last, helping you create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. The kit is compact, but it contains everything you need to complete your projects. With this kit, the possibilities are endless. You can design and craft a wide variety of jewelry pieces. It's a complete solution for all your jewelry making needs. What we like. This jewelry making kit includes a set of color-coordinated pliers and tools. It's a comprehensive kit suitable for both beginners and professionals. If you enjoy creating jewelry or are looking for a well-organized set, it will be a great addition to your crafting supplies. What people say. The device is very accurate. The color matching is very good. It is easy to use. Number 1. Pantone PCNCT-Card, Phone Color Matching Tool. Introducing the Pantone PCNCT-Card. This innovative tool transforms your phone into a color matching device, making color selection easier than ever. Stop wasting time searching for the perfect color. This card helps you quickly evaluate and select the best Pantone color matches, streamlining your workflow. Whether you have a free or paid Pantone Connect account, this card seamlessly integrates with your existing setup. It's designed to work with your preferred subscription. It matches to all current Pantone color systems, including PMS, FHA, CMYK, and skin tone. This ensures that you can find the exact color you need, no matter the system. The colors you match integrate directly into Pantone Connect mobile, web, and Adobe extension. This allows for palette creation and designing in Adobe Creative Cloud tools. Made from laminated paperboard, this card is lightweight and durable. It's easy to carry around and built to withstand everyday use. What we like. This card turns your phone into a color matching tool for Pantone colors. It seamlessly integrates with Pantone Connect for palette creation. If you're a designer who needs to quickly and accurately match colors, it is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The device is easy to use. The color matching is accurate. It is a great tool for DIY projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.